Here's my method for sharpening awls or punches on a pocket knife. I've tried sharpening by hand, I've tried sharpening with guided systems, but I've settled on using my Hero 2 flat hone. I'm starting with a 15 micron abrasive disc, making a few swipes till I find exactly the edge. That created a little bit of a burr all along the edge. A little difficult to see in the video, but it's there. Next, I'm going to remove that burr using a belt on my belt sander. Just a couple swipes will get rid of that burr and polish the backside just a little bit. I'm going to go back to my flat hone. Now I have a polishing disc with some rouge. I'm going to polish the entire backside of that and roll it up until I get to the edge. And then we're going to give it a test in leather. The punch should actually cut a hole rather than just stab a hole through it. And once your hole's finished, you should have a nice clean cut.